Stellar Lumen's CEO, Danelle Dixon, this lady right here, has just confirmed global adoption for XLM. Stellar XLM and PayPal have officially partnered up. The PayPal PYUSD stablecoin has officially launched on the Stellar XLM blockchain, and this will now allow XLM's cryptocurrency to be adopted worldwide. And if you hold XLM, we are about to be extremely rich because the world is about to adopt XLM. Make sure you tap the like button. Yeah, smash the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes, especially if you own XLM, because more people need to see this video. So now, let us get into it. I'm going to show you this video right here of the CEO of Stellar. Let me play you this first video of this director at PayPal speaking about why they chose XLM instead of Ethereum and Solana. Listen to this.
PYUSD recently launched on Stellar. I'm curious to hear about that process. What kind of opportunities does that open up? Why is it important to have that interoperability?
Well, that's a question for this guy.
Do you want me? I wasn't sure if you were going to go with that first or not, Tomer. So I think it's really exciting because Stellar is in, I think, like 170 to 180 countries. And so giving us that global reach on a chain that is kind of fast and very low cost really gives us the ability to reach a much different demographic than we have with other coins that we're currently operating on. When Ethereum is a little bit more expensive, Solana is fast, but doesn't have quite the global reach that Stellar does right now. So we're really excited to be there, be a partner, working with a chain that's really focused on the payment space and continue to expand the ecosystem.
Stellar Lumen's global reach in over 170 countries is a big reason why PayPal chose to build on Stellar and to launch their stablecoin on Stellar. And now I'm going to play you this video of Danelle Dixon speaking about why this partnership between PayPal and Stellar is extremely important. And listen to this.
And that's what PayPal focuses on. And so I'm sure there's going to be a lot of other folks that come into the game in terms of stable coins. We keep hearing about banks even wanting to be part of this. And I don't think that there's going to be opportunity for all of them. But when you think about the connectivity of an entity like PayPal and what they've already done, payments has been their focus for so many years. And when we think about the value of what stablecoins offer, it's ease of use for payments and for, think bill pay. If you think about like payroll, you think about all these things for small to medium sized businesses that they already have relationships with. That is what's really exciting. When we talk at Stellar about everyday financial services, that's the usage of the asset, not just the asset itself. And PayPal's always been part of that game.
The one thing I've learned probably more from you and being with your team and at your event than anyone else is how crypto wallets really are the new just financial apps of the future. Am I to think about this through the lens of all of these different people, whether it's in India or Africa or LATAM or wherever it may be, who are building wallets on Stellar now also have immediate access to PYUSD?
Yeah, once it goes live on Stellar this summer, yes, they'll have access to it. They'll be able to leverage it. And then if you think about MoneyGram and the relationship to be able to have those off-ramps and those on-ramps, it just opens up the market. So
Stellar XLM can be used all over the world through this PayPal partnership. People in India, Africa, Latin America, all over the world, when they're building wallets or applications, they can use the PayPal stablecoin and pay people all over the world. They can do so many things, all powered by the XLM blockchain. This partnership between PayPal and Stellar XLM opens up a world of opportunities and literally will help the global adoption of XLM. And now people all over the world will be using XLM without even knowing it. They will be using the blockchain. Over 170 countries everywhere now can use XLM through PayPal. Right now, you can create your own XRP token and launch it directly on the XRP ledger anywhere in the world within a few minutes using Exchange. Over 51 tokens have been launched and created on the Exchange platform in the past 30 days. And You can easily buy and trade all of the top XRP meme coins built on the XRP ledger right now on Exchange. Everything is powered by the BXE token. This cryptocurrency, BXE, has been absolutely exploding in the past few days, as you can tell, and the volume is picking up now. As more and more people are using Exchange, this crypto, I believe, can keep going up. Because also, there is a potential partnership between Ripple and Exchange. And if Ripple accepts this partnership, then big things are coming up with Exchange very soon. And on August 1st, Exchange is coming out with a massive institutional tokenization program where institutions will be able to tokenize their assets easily on Exchange, and they just burned about 1 million tokens just a few days ago, and they are going to keep burning tokens. So a lot of big things are coming up for this cryptocurrency right here, Exchange, BXE. Exchange has already done a 3x ever since we started speaking about BXE. All of the links will be down below, and it's not just PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, a bunch of other big organizations, financial institutions, corporations, governments, CBDCs all over the world are using the Stellar XLM blockchain for payments, to build applications, for wallets. Do not forget, Stellar XLM is a chosen cryptocurrency. Get ready for a world reserve currency. Yes, this logo right here on The Economist from years ago is still applicable to today because they literally have the XLM logo right here. Do not forget that the dollar will burn right here. As you can tell, the value of the dollar is burning, and cryptocurrencies, a new world currency, is going to rise from the ashes, a phoenix, whatever it is. But this logo right here is XLM's logo. So do not forget that. The Economist has given you a warning that a world reserve currency is coming. XLM and XRP are both chosen cryptocurrencies, actually. Yes, XRP's logo is very similar to X's logo and the AI of X, which is Grok, basically. As you can tell, its logo is very similar to Stellar Lumen's logo, XLM logo. There are a lot of hidden subliminal messages for Stellar XLM. Do not forget that. And the upside potential for XLM is massive because right now at 25 cents, we can easily 10x, 100x, and way more. Because let's just say we had Ethereum's market cap today of $300 billion. Stellar XLM would be worth $10 exactly if we had Ethereum's market cap. So $10 per XLM, we can easily do that in the next few years, easily. So that would be a 38x. So that shows you the upside potential for XLM. What we're speaking about in the next few years, we can easily reach $1 this year. In 2025, that is my prediction for XLM, minimum $1. So XLM today at 25 cents is at $0.25. That's it. And it is going to be adopted all over the world in the coming months and years. There are so many reasons to be bullish on XLM right now in 2025. And the next few years are going to be massive for XLM. We are just getting started. But that is why the CEO of Stellar XLM has confirmed that the PayPal partnership will help global adoption for XLM. And all of you can earn up to $10,000 in bonus rewards right now when you create an account with BTCC. Open an account with BTCC and start trading to earn rewards. Why not? It's free money, and I love BTCC. You will love it as well. There is no KYC. You can start trading right now easily anywhere. Use the links down below to earn up to $10,000.